So, Scorpion was gonna bring his fragment to someone here, at one of the high security labs. Luckily, my secret identity happens to work here. I know these security systems better than anyone. Except maybe whoever's collecting these fragments.
Preliminary tests confirm what I've suspected from the beginning, that this artifact is an energy source of almost immeasurable power. Clearly, this calls for proactive measures to prevent it from falling into the hands of rivals.
Go, man! Busted!
So, we finally meet. I'm Serena Patel, head of Alchemax's Shadow Division.
Never heard of it.
Yes, that's why it's called Shadow Division.
Ah, touche. So, what's the master plan, Patel? You shadowy types always have one?
I could kill you, or I could explain everything and then kill you. I think I'll just kill you.
Son of a...
Computer, this laboratory has been compromised. Initiate self-destruct sequence. 10 seconds.
10 seconds? That's barely enough time to come up with a clever explosion-related quip.
Ooh, that must really burn you up. So long, Spider-Man. It's been a blast.
Oh, she's good. Is it me or is it hot in here?
You can't escape! You can't escape!
Ah, shock. Better slow my fall somehow. Webs don't fail me now. Ah, I think it's gonna work.
Welcome to the Shadow Division, Spider-Man. Tomorrow's weapons developed today. And at the heart of it all, my masterpiece. Impressive, isn't it?
Meh.
What do you mean, meh?
I've seen one of these before.
No, you haven't.
I have. I totally have.
It's a condensed matter reactor, the only one in existence.
Is that what it is? Oh. Eh.
Maybe this will impress you. The power of 1,000,000 thermonuclear reactions at my command. Now the world is mine. Everybody sing. Everybody praise me.
Okay, those cables gotta go somewhere. First step, figuring out where.
Engage isolation chamber. Discharge tank.
I'm not scared of you. Wow.
Time to call in some assistance. Transport vortex. Block coordinates and initiate.
Hey, big guy, give it your best shot.
Well, you're a tall drink of water.
There must have been a power fluctuation.
Wow, that looked like it hurt. That make it look easy. Ooh, big glowy thing.
Connection lost.
Look at that! No more force field. What force? Victory! Wow, that looked like it hurt. Whoa! 3 more to go.
Accelerated fission makes everything seem slower. This'll definitely come in handy.
Thanks for playing! What the?
This should finish you handily.
Giant mechanical arm, huh?
Need a hand.
I'll show you how it's done.
Lucky punch punch!
worthless now!
I could...
Idiot! How can it function now? Is there no end to your sabotage?
Sheesh, gotta respect your experience.
Babbling jackanapes, must you ruin everything?
Is that a trick question? She likes me, I can tell.
That solves that.
Warning. Warning.
What the shock are these things? I don't know about you, but I'm having a blast.
Initiate transport vortex.
No.
Coordinates stabilized. Open vortex.
Take that! Can't.
Initiate transport vortex.
Don't think it's gonna work.
Initiate transport vortex.
Fantastic.
Okay, where's this cable lead? I've been working here for years, and I still can't believe that Alchemax just flat out ripped off the Avengers logo.
You're not the first to try and stop me, Spider-Man. Even some of my subordinates have accused me of megalomania.
And let me guess, you listen to their concerns calmly with an open mind.
Not quite.
That was my next guess.
Public eye, we have an intruder in Lab 4.
I missed you guys.
Security, I need immediate assistance.
Freeze! You are in direct violation of 1.1 Section 9.
Say that like it's bad. Break violence. Relax, this won't hurt a bit. Uh-oh, I lied. Sorry.
What are you?
Kerpow! Need reinforcements.
Thanks, Spider-Man. She wasn't always like this. Ever since that artifact fell into her hands.
I can do the dots. Can you help me get through here?
I can try. Hold on!
What are you doing? No! No!
That's done it!
Nice!
That takes care of the barrier.
How did you? It's not possible!
I
hope you guys have good health insurance.
Don't move, bud! You can't... I need backup here!
You've discovered another one of my masterpieces. Enjoy its beauty while you can. All units, attack!
I must have fought half the police
Don't try
force in the
that
city
again.
by now. Hey, public eye! Isn't there some more productive you be doing? Eating donuts, maybe?
Freeze, agitator. I'm taking you in. You'll furnish your... It's the spider. You're gonna be baked.
You?
Get some. Blow him away. Spider-Man.
I'll keep dishing it out. Are we done yet?
I bet this is what happened to the other Spideys.
You're gonna be baked.
You've discovered another one of my masterpieces. Enjoy its beauty while you can.
I'll take
Half the
care of
police
him.
force in the city.
Freeze! You are in direct violation of Penal Code 10.13, Section 9.
It's a bad thing.
Initiate transport boarding.
Not a chance. Do not resist.
One punches! I don't think so. Take that! Good boy!
Another connection.
There's something so satisfying about this.
Fool! That won't stop me. All you've done is ensure your own doom.
Yeah, says you. Ah, shock.
Good luck. Don't mess up. Feel
Good work.
You've done better than expected, but it ends now. I admire your persistence, Spider-Man, but it's taken you as far as you'll go.
Two down, two to go.
Stay on goal.
I'll take that.
Going nowhere.
Let's try this again.
Yeah, let's. You're gonna need the world's biggest slings because that arm's about to get broken. That's what I was gonna say.
Die! No! Force field connected to the arm's power source! Idiot! How can it function now? No! Insolent wretch! You've broken my power couplings! I can't work this arm anymore!
Ha! And I hope you got a giant sling. Hey, did you just run off in the middle of my joke? Oh man, it's gonna be a good one too. Well, at least the force field's down.
That showed them.
Hey, Spider-Man, follow me. I'll help you stop her. I'll lower the force field around the power core. Watch my back.
Just a moment. I've almost got it.
Hey, public eye! Is there something more productive you could be doing? Eating donuts, maybe?
Get around behind me.
Hey, Spider-Man, follow me. I'll help you stop her. I'll lower the force field around the power core. Watch my back.
Just a moment. I've almost got it. Get it!
Hold him out, power! Look at me go! Get a good shot at it! Engage! Hit him hard!
Take it!
Threat detected! All units fired! Hit him! Hard! You're done! Give up, Spider-Man!
Just a moment. I've almost got it.
This is very expensive, delicate equipment!
But that's the best kind to break!
Only one more to go.
He's over there! There!
Huh, thought that'd be tougher.
Welcome to the killing jar. Activate tank.
If this guy was any bigger, he'd have little bad guys orbiting around him. Next! I get it. Save the scientists, get them to deactivate the force field. Piece of cake. You're out of your league.
Off, Spider-Man! Off!
Let's do this. Stop hitting your face with my fist. Somebody's been overdoing it with the growth hormones.
Hold it, Frank! Off, Spider-Man! Off! He's making a break for it!
Let me out!
I can help.
Whoa, what a ride!
How do I get past those Mondo security barriers?
Thanks. I'll lower the primary force field. You'll need to get the others to lower the rest.
Maybe one of the others can help me get past these barriers. Already on. Somebody's been overdoing it with the growth hormones.
Off, Spider-Man! Off! Stop, freak! Get back! There we go!
Nice warm-up, guys. Thanks. Cool boy. I'll help you. Take that. There he is again. Say uncle. Taking you in. Come on, what do you got? This won't hurt a bit! Uh-oh, I lied. I don't think so. Wow, that looked like it hurt.
I'll get some! Don't try that!
Here's some for you. That's all she wrote.
What's happening? Do you understand? I need help with this. I'll help you out with the barrier. The barrier's down.
Get a good shot at it! Guess I knew who to get for field number 3. Whatever.
What are you waiting for?
Thanks for playing! I don't think so. I don't think so. Anybody else? No? Relax, this won't hurt a bit. Uh-oh, I lied.
Enough already!
Look at me go!
We need to find another scientist.
Thanks, fellas. We'll have to do this again sometime. And by sometime, I mean never. Yes! Another giant... Whoa, thing. Yes! Another giant whoa thing. And some for you. Look at the size of you. Let's go!
All units, attack!
Free! You are in direct violation of Penal Code 1.1.
You say that like it's a bad...
Program 3.1.
Get him! Punches! The bigger they are, the more heroic I look in beating them. Punchy punch punch!
You're gonna be faithful.
Nice warm-up, guys. Thanks.
Well, you've done it. You've broken all 4 connections. Pleased with yourself?
Gimme! One punches!
Found the spider.
I don't think so.
I got Spider-Man in mind.
Gimme! That'd be tough. I'll keep dishing it out as long as you keep taking it.
Congratulations. You've shut down a number of redundant energy batteries. A minor inconvenience. As long as I have the artifact, my reactor is unstoppable, and the destruction I wreak with it will be a testament to its magnificent design.
Really? Doesn't seem like much of a machine if it gets all its power from a magic rock.
You creep! Do you have even the slightest idea what complicated engineering is required for it to successfully derive energy from a mystical artifact? Do you? Do you? I'll kill you!
You must find a way to get her out of there.
Don't mind my lasers. Don't mind my lasers. Try to put up a fight. Don't mind my lasers. How do you like this? You've done enough damage. I won't let you defeat me.
She's consuming a great deal of energy to get to you. Find a way to use that to your advantage.
I'm sick of you! Oh. Your existence is at an end. I'm sick of you! Let me show you what I'm capable of. I saved this for special occasions. Like a moth to a flame. Enough! How you've survived this long is beyond me. Kisses for my sweets!
If this guy was that big, they'd have little bad guys orbiting around him. What, they didn't have anybody bigger?
That's right. Show the bad man what mama's babies can do. That's right. Show the bad man what mama's babies can do. Don't let the bad man hurt you, my lovelies. That's right. Show the bad man what mama's babies can do. You're an impressive specimen, I'll grant you. Is that the best you can do?
What, they didn't have anybody bigger? Who else wants some? Well, you're a tall drink of water.
Your combat skills are effective.
Somebody's been overdoing it with the growth hormone.
babies can do. Yes, my darling. Destroy him! Time to crush you now, I think. Let's test those reflexes. Let's test those reflexes. I think it's time to end this charade. Yes, my darling. Destroy him! That's right. Show the back.
I'm not scared of you.
Your existence is at an end.
Shadow Division sure makes some weird stuff.
Yes, my darling. Destroy him!
Punchy punch punch!
Is that the best you can do?
Good boy!
Idiot! Let's test those reflexes.
Look at the size of you!
Can you handle this? Come out to play, my pretty pets.
I don't know about you, but I'm having a blast.
Ah, to hell with you. This is for you. Time to crush you now, I think. That's right. Show the bad man what Mama's babies can do.
Somebody's been overdoing it to the growth hormones. Well, you're a dull drink of water.
Think fast. Let's test those reflexes. How you've survived this long is beyond me. Look sharp. This is for you. Think fast. Let me show you what I am capable of.
Uh-oh, becoming large and extra large.
Yeah.
What's up, Tiny?
I think it's time to end this charade. That's right. Show the bad man what Mama's babies.
Gotcha. You're right. I am incredible. Now, let's get this back where it belongs.